inside the Niger Delta.
Also in the governorship race under the platform of the People's Democratic Party, PDP, is Honorable Fred Agbedi, a member of the House of Representatives representing Sagbama Ekirimo Federal Constituency in the lower chamber of the National Assembly. In this report, Honorable Agbedi unveils his plan for the growth and development of Bayelsa State if he secures the PDP governorship ticket and is eventually elected governor of Bayelsa State.
Honorable Fred Yetemone Agbedi, one-time chairman of the People's Democratic Party and two-time Director General of Governor Dickson Campaign Organization, is a political heavyweight in Bayelsa State. His mission is to ensure better service delivery in governance and transform the state into an entrepreneurial ecosystem. Soon after he obtained his nomination and expression of interest forms at the PDP National Secretariat in Abuja, Honorable Agbedi had unveiled his policy thrust, part of which is about transforming Bayelsa State from an extractive-based economy into an industrial economic hub in the country and in the entire West African sub-region.
Brass NLNG should come on stream. If you have two other NLNGs added to the Bonny NLNG, Nigeria will not need to go borrow money anywhere to fund their budget. We're also talking about Brass Fertilizer Company. That is what some of us, when we become governor, want to do. Employment, business will flow, and revenue will come to the state.
It is no surprise that Honorable Agbedi is passionate about effective gas utilization in the country. In the 8th Assembly, he was a member of the Committee on Gas Resources. In his quest to further diversify the economy of Bayelsa State, the Ekirimo-born politician also intends to fully exploit its vast tourism potentials.
Bayelsa is a tourist state. When you travel out of this country, most of the holidays that people are going to is just to go to the seasides and all that and enjoy themselves and come back. And we have all these things. Other than crude oil, there are a lot of resources in our environment. But we are not really tapping into those resources.
As an insider in the restoration government of Serake Dixon, Honorable Agbedi says he is very conversant with the workings of the government and will leverage on his experience to take Bayelsa to the next level. He advises all eligible Bayelsans aspiring to the highest political office in the state to pursue their legitimate ambition and allow the people decide who becomes the next governor of Bayelsa State.
Go to the people. Sell yourself to the people. Campaign to the people. So that they will have cause to cross-examine you on a number of issues they feel very strongly about.
As member representing Sagbama Ekirimo Federal Constituency, Agbedi's legislative interests are centered on good governance, development, and improved quality of life through education. His mission is to replicate his achievements in the legislative arm of government at the highest level of the executive branch in Bayelsa State.
Inside the Niger Delta.